Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to zip files on MacBook. First, open Finder and locate the files or folders you want to compress. For me, the files are located in the Documents folder. Now hold the Command key and click on each file to select them. If you simply want to zip all files, then press Command A to select all of them. Now right click any of the selected files and click on Compress. Your Mac will instantly create a zip file in the same location. If you compressed multiple files, the zip file will usually be named archive.zip. But if you compress a single file or folder, the zip file will use its name. To open a zip file, simply double click it. Mac OS automatically extracts the contents into a new folder. If you open it, here are your files. And that's it. No extra software required. Everything is built right into Mac OS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Joey's Tech for more such MacBook tips and tricks.